Hello everyone, myself Kirtan Dipe. I am studying Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore, and my department is Basic Science, and my branch is Computer Science and Engineering. And I am here to explain the brief applications on optical fiber in telecommunications. And my campus ID is 23 CS 1729, and my semester is first year semester. Section is BMW. My roll number is B09, and the course title is Applied Physics. Topic is applications on optical fiber in telecommunication. So let's move on this topic. So first, in this presentation, we are talking about first introduction of optical fibers and applications of optical fiber, where we are using optical fibers and how we are using optical fibers, and limitations of optical fibers means what is the advantages of optical fibers, and where we are going to use the optical fibers in daily lives, and the parts of optical fiber, and where we are preparing the optical fiber, how we are manufacturing of the optical fiber. And the fifth topic is principles of optical fiber and the working of the principle of optical fibers. And the main topic of this presentation is we are going to talk about the applications of telecommunications, applications of optical fiber in telecommunications. Then finally we conclude this presentation, and let's end up this video as soon as possible. So firstly, we're going to talk about the optical fibers in our daily lives. So first, optical fibers refers to the availability of the fiber optics conductivity as choice in the telecommunication networks. So mainly optical fibers are used in the telecommunication purposes. Example, optical fibers is known as the high speed data transfer speed and reliability. So nowadays we are going to send the information very quickly through optical fibers, and informations are sent in a very low time. So and can be chosen as an alternative to the transfer copper based conjunction, offering improved performances to those who obtain the advanced technology. So this is optical fiber is an advanced technology surrounded with the copper copper tunings. So here it is a picture example, applications of optical fiber. So next PPT. So coming on to the next applications of optical fiber in the field of telecommunication. So how we are applying the optical fibers in the telecommunication fields. Optical fibers in the telecommunication field can be applied of various purposes. Various purposes of optical fibers are used. So mainly increase the bandwidth. So increase bandwidth. Optical fibers can enhance the data transmission capacity, allowing the high allowing the higher bandwidth and faster communication speeds in telecommunication network. These sentences mean that if the bandwidth of the optical fiber increases, and the high speed and the more number of informations can be sent through the optical fibers. So coming on to the next, and uh, the reliability. Integrated optical fibers provides redundancy in case of fiber failures, improving the overall reliability of the telecommunication infrastructure. So this means the it's nothing but similar to the optical fibers bandwidth. So if we increase our bandwidth, the more number of information can be sent through it. So fabric to the home, FTTH. Optical fibers can support the expansion of the fiber to home, providing the high speed network accessibility directly to the residential purposes or business locations. So in the locations of the businesses and companies, they use the optical fiber because this optical fibers moves in the high speed of transmission of data. So coming on to the next applications of optical fiber in telecommunication, smart cities, wireless backhaul, and high density connectivity. In the summary, the optical fiber enhances the capability of the Reliance's telecommunication, supporting the growth of the demand. This means that the applications or the optical fibers are used more number of in telecommunication purposes for contacting, data sharing and information sharing, etc., and many more purposes. And nowadays in every home there is Wi-Fi connection, so it is used of optical fibers and etc. Then smart cities, in the content of smart cities, the inactivation of the optical fibers can be contributed to the development of the integrated infrastructure, supporting applications and traffic management, etc. So the limitations: optical fibers have some limitations, including signal loss and over long distance due to the attendance of the to the physical damage and the challenges behind it, bending or twisting without signal degradation. Additional to the integration cost can be high, and the technology may be suitable for the applications such as high temperature environment. So the parts of optical fiber, these are the similar parts of optical fiber: core and coding, cladding. Surrounding of the core is a cladding which has the lower refractive index. The surrounding of the optical fiber has a low refractive index than the core. This property helps in the concluding the light within the core through total internal reflection, preventing signal loss. Buffer coating: the outermost layer is the buffer coating. The outermost layer of the optical fiber is a buffer coating. This is used for the prevention of the core and cladding, and this is the material used in a which protects from the physical damage or some other environmental damage. So coming on to the next slide, and principle of optical fiber. The principle of the optical fiber is based on the phenomenon of the total internal refraction. This optical fiber totally works on the TIR, means the total internal refraction. Light symbol to the light signals, typically in the form of laser and LED generated pulpus, may causes the cladding, and the total internal reflection allows the light into the progressing through the overall long distance with a minimum signal loss. The core of the cladding carefully designed to ensure the efficient transmission of the light, making the optical fiber more efficient. This is another slide of optical fiber. This is the same as a telecommunication the serves, and conclusion. I come into the conclusion that optical fibers are very useful in the telecommunication purposes, and more n number of applications are used in a telecommunication. Example, the high speed data transmission, and it is the main backbone of the modern communication, and it is also known as the backbone of the modern communication. So nothing much. Thank you for watching these videos. Please like, share and subscribe this video YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.